Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Happy Cyber Monday, everybody. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below, where you can take advantage of all the deals going on this week. And here's one of them. Let's see what's inside. Here we go. Whoa. A little dusty. Everything's coming out. Here we go. One more to cut. What do we have here? Let's see, get this box out of the way. Oh, yes. Here she is. Coming from, we got an Apple. Oh, yes. iPhone 11, I do believe. 64 gigs. So they got them on sale right now on Amazon. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Check them out. Take advantage of these cyber deals going on today. Let's see what this thing looks like. This is my first ever iPhone. Let's see if I can get the video color. Here we go. First time owning an iPhone. So here we go. Ooh. So I've been with Android for a long time. And now with Amazon Live, I gotta do iOS. So, well, it comes with AirPods. I know these are wireless. No, wired. These still sound really good. Really impressed with those speakers. Headphones. Ooh. Look at that nice display. Really nice. Seems bigger. Let me see something. A little smaller than my Galaxy 10 Plus, but for a basic iPhone 11, got the 2 cameras, a flashlight. There's like extensions, accessories you could buy, but I went with the white this time. Something different. So I usually go with gray or black. Choose the white. Where is the power button? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to this phone. Still trying to. Heard something. Oh, it doesn't have a audio jack like the others. Alright, let me figure out. Maybe it needs to be charged. There we go. Got the Apple. Like I said, first time using it, but I've been messing around with that iPod to get familiar with these. So this is the iPhone 11 lightning deal, or the cyber deals they have going on this week. Hello. 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 Hold on. Well, they got exact time already. Bonjour. Alright, alright. Hello. Hello. Oh boy. What do we got next? Okay. Oh. Hold on one sec. Oh, okay, you just gotta slide it up. Take you to country. United States. Quick start. Set up manually. Just gotta put in my, oh boy. I gotta get my password. Hold on one sec. Alright, now we're getting into the fun stuff. Finally set it all up with my Wi-Fi and all that good stuff. It is here, the iPhone 11, I do believe. Like I said, I'm new to this. This is my first ever iPhone, so it's going to take a while for them to install my apps. But definitely take advantage of the Amazon Prime's sale they got going on right now for Cyber Monday. You still guys got quite a few hours left on the sale. So great for a backup phone. That's what I'll be using this for. So definitely check them out. If you don't have one by now, definitely get another one. But really cool. And like I said, I do Amazon Live. And this is going to help me a lot more now. So definitely check it out, YouTubers. We got the Apple iPhone 11 looking good. But still going to take a while to do all these installs on the app. But you guys seen all the unboxings already. I'm a little late to the party today, but it's all good for the deal. Couldn't pass it up. You guys should try it out. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend. Or actually, it's Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. I will see you guys pretty soon. Until then, be safe.